a rare find in Bhandup with residential zone and concept based on greenery and nature all around. An IGBC certified project with A-listed company. Welcome to PropWeb, and today we bring to you Arcade Rare by Arcade Developers in Bhandup. With more than 39 years of experience and 31 projects successfully delivered, 8 ongoing projects and 5 upcoming projects, more than 5 million square feet developed. This is what we call a legacy that is formed and remarkable by Arcade Developers. Connectivity is the key highlight and major USP of this project. Talking about it, may it be metro stations or railway stations, everything you get is at the nearest vicinity. Bhandup Railway and Metro Station is at walking distance, that is approximately 600 to 700 meters. Eastern Expressway can also be connected in just 25 to 30 minutes. LBS and JVLR Road are also at the nearest vicinity, can be connected very efficiently. Apart from that, towards your right you get Gandhinagar Road and towards your left you get the Sonapur signal. Schools and hospitals like St. Xavier's, Podhar International School are just at a distance of 10 to 15 minutes, and hospitals like Fortis is also at a nearest vicinity. So this was about the fabulous connectivity that you get in Bhandup. Now I'll give you a brief information about the project. It's a low-density project, freehold land parcel of around 3 acres in which you get 7 towers in total, a G+22 story building where you get 4 levels for podium and 5th level is for your amenities area. From 6th to 21st are your habitual floors, in total 16 floors. You're getting 24 plus amenities, golf putting area, tree house based concept amenities, 4 swimming pools, 1 big pool, kids pool, jacuzzi and aqua gym, and many more amenities like multi-purpose court, banquet hall, skating court, kids play area, etc. So you're getting many more such amenities. So this was about our project, and they have 2 and 3 BHKs available. So now I will be showing you the sample flat. From this foyer area you're entering into a 3 BHK sample flat जिसका कारपेट एरिया है 912 स्क्वायर फीट, और आप देख रहे हैं वेरी स्पेशियस एंड ह्यूमंगस लिविंग रूम जहां पर आपको ये लिविंग एरिया मिल रहा है. एंड ये है हमारा अटैच्ड डेक जो कि बहुत स्पेशियस है. यू कैन सी आपकी 2 सीटर इवनिंग टेबल के साथ भी यू आर गेटिंग इनफ स्पेस इन योर डेक. Next to it again is your premium dining area, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं. Again very spacious and huge. यहाँ पर आपका 6-seater dining table situated है, as you can see. Now we are moving, as this is also a butterfly layout house. तो यहाँ पर हमारा first bedroom है, यहाँ पर हमारा kitchen है. पहले मैं आपको kitchen दिखा देती हूँ. Again you can see very huge kitchen. आपका double platform kitchen आ जाता है. यहाँ से आप अपना dry space बना सकते हैं. Dry area for your washing machine and sink आपको मिल रही है. French windows for ventilation, enough space for your compartments and granite भी आपको मिल रही है. यहाँ पर आपका रेफ्रिजरेटर एरिया है राइट ऑपोजिट. एवरी रूम यू आर गेटिंग 2 रूम्स में आपको ऐसा ही फॉयर मिलेगा फॉर योर प्राइवेसी. कम इन. यहाँ पर आपको मिल रहा है आपका बेडरूम विच इज अगेन वेरी ह्यूज, ह्यूमंगस एंड ब्यूटिफुली डेकोरेटेड. यहाँ पर आपका बेड एंड आपका वार्डरोब इजीली सिचुएटेड है, एज यू कैन सी, एंड इनफ स्पेस आपको फिर भी पैसेज के लिए मिल रहा है. अगेन यू गेटिंग फ्रेंच विंडोज विद सेफ्टी नेट गिवन टू यू with attached washroom that comes with premium fittings and vitrified tilings and very spacious enough. यहाँ पर आपको French window भी मिल रही है for ventilation. Moving on now. The floor to ceiling height for this apartment is 9.8 feet. You're getting into your kids bedroom or common bedroom, guest bedroom according to your requirements. It is all, as you can see, बहुत spacious. आपके 2 beds आराम से यहाँ पर situate हो चुके हैं. You again get French windows for ventilation with safety net. यहाँ आपका study table भी situate हो गया. Zero wastage flat with well utilized units. Moving on, comes with attached washroom of course, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं. Again it is very well utilized. Comes with premium fittings. Now we are getting into our final bedroom, master bedroom number 2. So this is our master bedroom, and as you've noticed, every bedroom here has their own attached washroom. So this is also one of the USPs. See, this is also very luxurious and very humongous. Comes with attached washroom, जिस size 4.6 by 8 का ये आपका washroom है. तो ये था हमारा 3 BHK sample flat for you, and the pricing here for 2 BHK starting from 1.47 CR plus taxes and 3 BHK starting from 2.05 CR plus taxes. They also have amazing payment plans like Shubharam, Your Home Your Payment Plan, and इसी के अलावा CLP भी है. For booking purpose and site visit के लिए आज ही हमें contact कीजिए on the given details below.